Hello friends, in the last video we had learned how to derive the formula a plus b whole square equals a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now in this video we learn how to derive the formula for a minus b whole square. It is actually very easy to derive if you know this formula. Let's begin. So first of all we should understand that a minus b can also be written as a plus minus b. Okay, so let capital B is equal to minus b. So a minus b is equal to a plus minus b, which is equal to a plus capital B. Alright, so a minus b whole square will be equal to a plus capital B whole square. Okay, we get this from this. A minus b is equal to a plus capital B. Now we only need to apply this formula in this, and that's it. Our work will be done. This will be equal to a square plus capital B square plus 2 times of a capital B. Now we need to replace capital B with our initial term minus b. This will be equal to a square plus, now b square is minus b square. Okay, and 2 times of a times capital B is minus b. Okay, so this is a square. We all know that negative of a number square is the same as positive of the number square. So this would be equal to b square. We also know that if we multiply a positive and a negative number, the product will be a negative. So therefore 2 times of a into minus b would be equal to negative 2ab. That's it, we have proven the formula. A minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Thanks for watching.